Simple Vegan Recipes. So today we're going to do a vegan walnut chocolate cake. So let's get started. So the recipe calls for the dry ingredients: 1 cup of spelt flour, 1 cup of unbleached flour, half a cup of chopped walnuts, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 cup of cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of grounded nutmeg. For the wet ingredients, you will need 2/3 cup of applesauce, half a cup of olive oil, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 cup of hot water. Okay, so this is our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. We're going to take the wet ingredients and we're going to place it in the dry ingredients, and we're going to mix this for 5 minutes. This is the mixture. We're going to put it in this baking pan. So our baking pan is all greased up. We're going to bake this at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So let's pop this in the oven. Okay, so we're done with our vegan walnut chocolate cake. Okay. Like I always do, encourage you to give those recipes a try, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.